Hey everyone, welcome to day 79. This is day 2 of our week 12. We're gonna do cardio workout. So we're gonna do 3 jumping variations, cardio exercise, and then we're gonna do 1 animal flow exercise, that is a conditioning workout. So three cardio exercise, 1 strength training exercise. This is how we're gonna do 3 circuits. And the ones who cannot jump, totally fine. We'll show you different variations on what you can do if you cannot jump. So let's start off with our full body warm up first. Clockwise 10 wrist rotations, anti-clockwise 10. Change. Good. Shoulder rotations, make 10 circles. Good. Reverse 10. Good. Next, neck rotations, 5 counts, clock, 5 anti-clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chalo. 10 times hands go up, 1, go to the sky, stretch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change. Twist. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Now let's do side bending. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't just side bend. You have to stretch your fingertip to the top and then to the side. Now keep stretching your entire lateral part of the body. Imagine there's a wall. You try touching the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Forward bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back bending. Exhale. Raise your hands up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Alternate toe touches. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Leg swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do side leg raise. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Knee rotations. Very important as we're going to do a lot of jumps today. Proper circles. Clock 10, anti-clock 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ankle rotations. Clockwise 10. Reverse 10. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now let's do quick ankle walk. Lift your heel as much as you can. Maximum. Knees straight. Just walk for about 20-30 seconds. You'll feel your calf muscle working. Lift your heel as much as you can. Your ankle would take the maximum pressure and your ankles would get warmed up for the jumps. Walk sideways if you want to. Our goal is to warm up our ankles. Switch. Flex your toes. Walk. Lift your toes up. Walk on your heels sideways. Nice. Keep walking. Few more seconds. Whenever you go for a run, jog, trekking, hiking, badminton, running, sports, anything with that involves jumping, make sure you do these ankle drills. Very important. Chal, I'm gonna start with my workout. So I'll show you 3 variations that you can do if you cannot jump. Let's say you're 100 kgs, 80 kgs, 90 kgs. You cannot jump. Let's say for any reason. Okay? Then what you can do is you can do spot jog like this. Option 1. Second, you can do silent high knees. Okay? And option 3 is underneath claps. So I've given you 3 variations. You can repeat these 3 variations in all the 3 circuits if you can't jump. If you can do a particular jumping variation, feel free to do that. So I'm going to start off with my spot jog, spot jump, jumping jacks, and high knees. I'm going to do these 3 exercises, 30 seconds each. I'm going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Look at the heels are not touching the mat. Just jump and jump like a spring. Just keep your heels elevated so that your knees are safe, ankle is safe. Push on your breath. 3, 2, 1, go. Jumping jacks. Good job. Keep going. Last 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good. High knees, 30 seconds. Told you 3 variations: spot jog, silent high knees, underneath claps. Choose your variation as per your fitness level. Lift your knees as high as you can. Focus on your breath. 3, 2, 1. Last crawling exercise, 10 counts, and then we'll take a break, like 30 seconds break. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Small 30 seconds break. Let's get our heart rate recovered and then repeat the entire circuit. Spot jumps, jumping jacks, high knees. I've given you the variations. Let's say first round you're able to jump, second you want to do silent variation, that is spot jog, silent high knees, underneath claps. Please do that. Totally fine. So I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. Spot jump, 30 seconds. Just breathe in, breathe out. Let's go. Last 10 seconds. You'll feel your calf muscles working. 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks. Again, toes pointing outwards, knees pointing outwards slightly. Focus on your breath. I'm able to speak while I'm doing the jumping jacks. That shows the stamina is good. So if you're able to speak and talk like I'm doing, consider your stamina is superb. 3, 2, 1. Silent high knees. Go. Regular high knee, sorry. 30 seconds non-stop. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crawling, front back. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. After this, we have butt kicks. Next is front and back alternate legs. And then you have crisscross. How do you do crisscrosses? You just go outside and then you cross your legs out and cross. You just keep crossing. Simple. That's crisscross. Again, same 3 variations of, for them who can't jump, it's totally fine. You have to respect your own body. You have to respect your own fitness level. Spot jog, silent high knees, underneath claps. So you can do each exercise for 30 seconds if you don't want to jump. If you can, that would be really awesome. Butt kicks also you can do like these instead of jumps if you wish to. So I'm gonna start 30 seconds of butt kicks. 3, 2, 1, go. Sorry, butt kicks, right? Let's go. Good. 5 seconds done. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good. Front and back, alternate leg, front, back. Focus on your breath. Do not touch your heels on the mat. Last. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crisscross. Start. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Breathe in, breathe out. Give your best. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now table walk. Go. Table walk variations. Just do ankle taps. But I'm pretty sure you would be able to do table walks. Let's go. 2, 3. I'm just counting the right hand. Every time the right hand moves, I'm counting as a count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A good exercise for your triceps, wrists, shoulders, back, core, glutes, everything, hamstrings. 30 seconds of break. Then we'll repeat the entire circuit once. Chalo, let's start with butt kicks. 3, 2, 1, go. I've given you the variations for silent jumping, spot jog, silent hangies, underneath claps. Choose your fitness, choose your exercise. Let's go. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Switch, jump front and back. 30 seconds. Let's go. Last 10 seconds to go. Focus on your breath. Oxygen is your best friend during cardio. 3, 2, 1. Switch to crisscross. Go. 30 seconds of crisscross. Same rule applies. Don't touch your heel. 3, 2, 1. Good. Chalo. Table walk. 10 counts. Both the hands. Start. Go. 1. Every time the right hand will move, I'm going to count as 2. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chalo. 2 exercise done. For cardio, next is, I'll show you what is the next variation. We have 3 jumping variations again. Let me explain it to you once while you recover from your last circuit. You're going to jump both the legs forward and backwards together. This is both legs front and back. And then there is both legs sideways. Simple, you always jump like a spring. And the last one is jumping jack, simple variation. Like this, your hands on your waist, or you can hands here. Just jumping jacks, simple. Don't move your hand. That's it. Again, 3 variations of cardio. If you can't jump, spot jog. If you were jumping, you feel not confident in these exercise, then you can switch to silent variation. Spot jog, silent high knees, and third one is underneath claps. Sure, I'm gonna start with the next variation. 3, 2, 1, and go. 30 seconds front and back. Good. 10 seconds done. 20 done. I'm not sure how many done. Let's do 10 more. We don't want to do less. If you do 10 extra, it's fine. Sure. Switch. Sideways. Go. Good. Jump like a spring. Soft landing. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Keep going. Non-stop. 10 more to go. Focus on your breath. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, simple jacks. 30 seconds. The hair is just coming on my eyes all the time. Good job, good job. Let's go. We are almost done. 3, 2, 1. Okay, plank walk front and back. If you can't do front and back, I think let's just do hold. 30 seconds hold. This would be a better exercise to do. Tummy in. Make a small camel of your upper back, lower back. Don't arch your back like this. Make a camel. 10 more seconds to go. Breathe in, breathe out, knee straight. 3, 2, 1. Stand. Now, after this, we have last exercise, last circuit. Same, front and back, sideways, jacks, and full plank hold, followed by a 1 minute shavasana, and then full body cool down. Chalo. 3, 2, I'm going to do front back. 1, and action. Go. 30 seconds front back. Fifteen seconds done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're almost done. Don't give up. Don't be lazy. Push yourself. Let's go. Do silent variations. You can switch from middle. It's totally fine. If you feel you're not able to push, switch. But do not stop. We are not going to lose. This is 12th week. We have to push ourselves for the best workout. I'm doing it with you. Imagine I'm speaking while I'm doing the exercise. So imagine how tough it would be for me. Chalo. Done. Last, silent jumping jacks. Sorry, simple jumping jacks. 30 seconds. Do never touch your heels. If you can see, my heels would never touch. Five, four, three, two, one. Full plank hold, 30 seconds. I know if you're not able to catch your breath, this would be difficult, but try doing it. Let's go. 30 seconds hold. Tummy in. Make a camel of your upper back. Stay. 10 seconds done. 15 done. 20 done. 25. 3, 2, 1. Down. Okay, I'm going to do hammer curls as a finisher workout. So this is a 4 kg dumbbell. If you have 4 kg, 3 kg, that would be better. If not, bare minimum 2 is what you need. If you haven't purchased dumbbells yet, it's okay, you can buy it now. 3, 2, 1, go. 60 seconds non-stop. Feel your biceps as the dumbbells goes up. If it's a very lightweight, you won't be able to feel. 15 seconds done. 30 done. 35. 40. 45. Vajrasana is very good for your thighs, calf, ankle. 3, 2, 1. Done. So 60 seconds Shavasana and then stretches. Okay, everyone, come up. Let's start with our warm up, cool down. So, how do you do cool downs after a long cardio session? So, I'll show you. We're gonna stretch your lower body muscles for 60 seconds each. Go. Thigh stretch for 60 seconds. Whenever we do a good cardio day at the gym, on a treadmill, at a cardio machines in the gym, or you can do it on the road, or after your badminton, anything that involves jumping, long cardio workout, you should ideally stretch each of your lower body muscles for 1 minute. You're going to do it for 1 minute with me. You'll see how your muscles feel, how your muscles open up, and you'll see a very, very good improvement in your flexibility and your performance for your next cardio session, your next running session or jumping session that you do would be 2x better just because you've stretched your muscles. This is what I do after every running session I do. And yeah, I'll be starting with my running after this 12 weeks. Chalo, done. Change. 60 seconds hold. Feel the muscle getting stretched. Don't just grab your ankles and stand like a just assuming to get the stretch. You have to literally pull your ankle to your hip. Feel the muscle getting stretched, getting elongated. All the stretches we do is for like 15-20 seconds and then we leave. But imagine how many steps, how many jumps we did, how many repetitions we have done for your lower body muscles. Like 30 seconds, there are so many repetitions we've done. So every time you jump, land, your muscles, ligaments, tendons, bones, joints, all of them work together just so you stand safely, you land safely, right? So we should ideally stretch our muscles properly. So bend your knee, one knee, inhale, exhale, stay. If you can touch your knees on the head, sorry, head on the knees, that is better. If not, just forward bend, and stay. Twenty seconds done. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Switch quickly. Exhale. Hold for 60 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Stay. Feel your hamstrings getting stretch. So I'm making you do 1 minute because next time when you'll go for a run, you'll do some sports activity where you're running a lot, jumping a lot. You know this is the stretches you're supposed to do. Your muscles need more rest. If the more time you spend in your workouts, imagine you did jumping for what, like 30 seconds, one variation. We've done 9 variations twice. So that's like almost 10 minutes of non-stop jumps we have done. Technically. 3, 6, 9, yes. So ideally we should also stretch the muscles for a minute each so they don't get injured. They stay strong. Good. Glute stretch. I'm gonna do pigeon pose. If you want, you can do pigeon. Or if you cannot do pigeon, you can do triangle pose. Leg goes all the way forward, just behind your wrist. Back leg goes behind. Stay on your elbows. Switch. Come on your toes. Here, lift your hips up. Switch. Back leg goes back. Stay. Don't move. Nice. Okay, come up. We are done. Calf stretch. And we'll just quickly do our shoulders and triceps. Again, we'll try doing it for 60 seconds. Let's go. Again, I hope you guys are not skipping your calf stretches. Don't be lazy. If needed, pause the video, go outside, go to your staircase and do the calf stretch. You do it on a chair. Chairs can be slightly risky because you can fall off from the chair because you're going to be at the edge of it, and if it flips, you would flip on the floor. So on the bed you can do it. At the corner of your bed you can. A small stool would also be fine. Switch. So we've almost covered everything in the 12 weeks program that we did, from upper body to lower body to glutes, core. And we also showed you how to do yoga, how to do Surya Namaskars, my way. That's a much more efficient way. I've explained everything from small things of micronutrients to macros, how to manage your meals. Um, showed almost everything. Let's do shoulder stretches quickly. We have a minute to go. We also done long stretches today for each muscle. Probably we've covered everything, right? Yeah. Rotate, hands on a wall, turn, stay. Five, four, three, two, one. Good. Chalo. We're done. Good to go. Take care of your overall nutrition. This is week 12. Protein, fats, carbs, all of it should be balanced. The more protein you eat, the better it's gonna be. But remember, whenever you increase your protein intake, you should increase your fiber intake and water intake simultaneously, else you'll have constipation or bloating issues. So yeah, drink lemon waters, would help you digest your meals better. And a lot of information is there in the description box. Feel free to check it out. And yeah, do share these videos with your friends and family. Let them also get fit and transform. Take care. And you would like to book a consultation call with our team, let's say in case you've been following our 12 weeks journey properly, and you, let's say you've lost 6 7 kgs, 8 kgs, maybe 12, maybe 5, maybe 4. Everyone would be different. If let's say you want a proper transformation, like proper nutrition plan, proper pre-sleep routine, you want some accountability on what you're eating, you want some hand holding whenever you get your periods or fever or emergency travel, so you need a proper holistic approach, you need a coach with you, then there's a book call booking link in the description. Tap on it, book a call with us, and that's about it. Thank you so much.